Hi, Andrew from SACS. SACS cognitive ability assessments are computerised adaptive tests. And so what that means is that unlike traditional tests, which measure two things at once, how fast you think and how well you think, CAT isolates true cognitive ability, removing speed as a confounding factor. So classical tests have fixed questions with a strict time limit, and they measure ability and speed combined, whereas computerised adaptive tests have adaptive questions, generous timing, and pure measurement of cognitive ability. So how CAT works, we start it with a question which is average difficulty for the population. Then it adjusts after every answer. If you get a question right, that will lead to a harder question, and if you get it wrong, then that will lead to an easier question. So that means that it hones in on true ability very quickly, and what that means is that also people typically have to complete less questions to get their ability score. The test measures how accurately it's measuring, and the moment it reaches a certain standard, it simply stops giving questions. And what that means for clients is that you get the results in minutes, a familiar percentile format. So percentile scores, 50th percentile means exactly population average, 10th percentile is not great, 90th percentile is really good. So there are three SACS CAT assessments: abstract reasoning, which is your capacity to solve problems which are strategic or tactical in nature; verbal reasoning, the ability to solve problems which are to do with words; numerical reasoning, which is to measure the person's capacity to deal with numbers at work. CAT is best practice for measuring cognitive ability. If you'd like a free trial, then fill in the web form at the end of this page.